quit? No, it's not about quitting. It's about saying you're not kidding.
Okay. You don't have it in you to let those kids down. You don't. You're feeling emotions. You will never count 300 here. Just take the bag off your shoulder.
What? Casey Sting?
You better.
Can I have my hand? Pet the kitty. Pet the kitty. What are you trying to bite my hand for? What are you trying to bite my hand? Arr. Ow! What are you bite my hand for? Huh? What are you bite my hand for? You going to go night-night? You going to night-night? Meow. Arr. Why are you trying to bite me? You don't like your belly rub? Oh, yeah. Ow. Why you bite me? Okay, let me have my hand. Let me have it.
Do that one more time. You're out.
Can I have my hand?
Understand?
Lulu? No.
I was lost on the way. Turn out.
You're just trying to eat me. I'm just trying to pet you, and you're just trying to eat me. No. What's the problem? Lulu.
Sit down.
I got my hand back. Yeah, you. Goodbye. You love me? You like the dog? No? Aww. Lulu, you're pretty kitty. You're pretty kitty. Yeah, you're pretty kitty. You like your ears going. Good night.